What's up guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be kind of like an organizational fashion video, and I'm really excited because I am partnering up with Flyp for today's video. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'm really excited to tell you guys all about Flyp and what it is and how you can get involved in participating in Flyp. Now before I begin, I just want to let you guys know it is pouring raining outside, and I'm so sorry. If you've been on my channel, then you already know like the rain is just like really loud. So hopefully I can just drown out that sound. Just excuse that, but you know, the weather, I can't control it. Unfortunately, I wish I could. The reason why I'm skinning here today is because I desperately need to clean out my clothes, okay? Desperately. So I just recently quit my job about maybe a month ago at MAC, and if you guys know about cosmetic retail, then you know that we are required to wear all black head to toe. And while I love black clothes, I have way too many. It's getting ridiculous. Now I'm going to be going through my drawers today and pretty much getting rid of hopefully at least 70% of the black clothes in here. However, I want to make some money off of it. So let me tell you guys about Flyp. Now I'm sure you guys heard of things like Poshmark before, where you go on there, you take your photos, you make it look all aesthetically pleasing, and then you sell your clothes to people, but you have to have like a following and things like that. It might take a while for you to get rid of your clothes. Flyp makes this so much easier. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take all the clothes that you want to get rid of, you're going to lay them out, you're going to take a photo, it doesn't have to look perfect, and Flyp has these top sellers on websites like Poshmark on there that are already verified and authenticated by the Flyp team, and they go ahead and they're like, you know what, I like your closet, I like your pile, I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I'm going to sell it on the website, and you make commission off of whatever it is that they sell. Now hypothetically speaking, maybe something doesn't sell. It happens, we understand. Maybe something you thought was cute but wasn't really selling that well. They can donate it on your behalf, which is probably the option I would go with because I love to donate my clothes. Or they can send it back to you if you decide, you know what, let me just get it back and I'll figure it out. Or they can buy it from you directly. So those are some of the options in case your pieces don't sell. But Flyp makes it really easy because literally all you have to do is pick out your clothes, throw it into a box. They give you a shipping label, you send it off, and that's it. You're done. So we're just going to quickly go through some of these clothes that I'm going to be getting rid of that is black that I'm never going to wear anymore because I don't work at MAC anymore. Now before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about Flyp. So I honestly, like, if you guys can see, my black drawers are overflowing. It's ridiculous because I was a full-time employee, and respectfully at MAC you gotta look good, you gotta look spicy, so I had to like keep my wardrobe up to date with black clothes, but it's honestly getting ridiculous. And I'm just someone who prefers to wear color. It just makes me feel good, it makes me feel happy. I feel like whatever I'm looking like physically, like on the outside, I feel on the inside, and when I wear black it feels like a funeral and I feel depressed. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of some of the stuff. So I love this top. I'm gonna keep this. I have a bunch of like random like wife beaters and stuff like that that I don't feel like I need. So I am probably going to throw this into my Flyp lot. So that's what it's basically called. I'm gonna create a lot on Flyp, which I'll show you guys how to do it somewhere in this video. It'll pop up and you will see it. But what is going to happen is a bunch of people will start to send in like kind of like requests, if you will, like they would want to purchase my lot, and then I will go through all the sellers and find out which one that I like the best, and then I would go with them. So I'm guessing like the best way to go about it is maybe you can look at the type of clothes that they sell, if your clothes fit their aesthetic, if that makes sense. Because I feel like if somebody is like really conservative but you're getting rid of a bunch of club clothes, maybe their audience would not want to purchase from that lot. You know what I mean? Like they wouldn't want to purchase any of the pieces. So I would say maybe go with a seller that just matches your whole fashion aesthetic, if you will. I like this shirt, I do, but this is like, I don't ever like dress up, and so I just kind of feel like this is not needed. I'm definitely getting rid of that dress. No. Oh yeah, see, I have like a bunch of these like black like capri like slack pants situations because I actually used to work at Victoria's Secret too, and you have to wear all black there, but you have to be like a little bit more dressy, and honestly no, not keeping that. What I really like about Flyp is that it feels really secure because of the fact that all the pro sellers on there are 100% legit. So you don't have to worry about like your clothes being sent somewhere and you're just losing them forever and you're not going to make any money from it and they're just going to disappear in thin air. They're all authentic pro sellers, so you can really, really trust the people that you purchase from. This was my favorite bodysuit. I got this from American Apparel. If you guys remember American Apparel, the halter top bodysuits, you are legit, okay? If you had one of these or like a skater skirt or the skater dress with the cutout side, you was popping. This is actually, the dress that I'm wearing is actually from American Apparel. American Apparel had amazing clothes. I think actually I want to go find someone like Poshmark or something like that because that would be awesome. I'm going to keep it because it's sentimental value. That's why I'm going to struggle getting rid of stuff because so many things have like memories, you know what I mean? Oh, I actually really like this skirt. Gonna keep it. Now, if you guys are wondering what can you sell, you can sell any like name brand or like designer clothes. It has to be like a well-known brand that people would actually like, oh, look and say, hey, I would definitely buy this. It can't have like no name. Also, you want to make sure that the clothes are in good condition. You can't sell anything that like has rips or stains. Like that's obvious. I hope you guys know that. Make sure that the clothes are still in good condition. A lot of my work clothes that I'm going through are from really popular stores like BCBG. Those are like type of places that I really like to shop when I was working at MAC, and also they are in really good condition because I purchased so many black clothes that I was able to like really stretch out my wardrobe. So just make sure that when you're going through your clothes and you're creating these lots that they are in great condition. And if you have things that are not name brand but that you do want to get rid of, I just suggest maybe donating them. I am probably never ever going to wear this skirt ever again. I'm just going to add that to my lot. Now, I've already gone through my shoes not too long ago, but I suggest that you guys go ahead and maybe donate shoes too. You can donate shoes, clothes, or handbags, which is really, really cool. This is one of my favorite black tops. I got this from BCBG. Absolutely love this. I'm going to keep this one because that's a go. That is such a cute top. It was like my favorite shirt to wear at work. Now, if you guys are wondering approximately how long it takes, it usually takes like up to 90 days to go ahead and sell all of your clothes. So just keep that in mind. It might take up to like 3 months, but patience, patience. Hopefully it will sell. And you guys, like I already told you, if it doesn't sell, you have other options. I recommend going the donation route. I just feel like, why not donate? It makes a lot of sense. And honestly, another reason why I love the whole idea of Flyp is because we live in such a fast fashion world. And we have habits of buying a bunch of clothes and then throwing things out that we don't use. And honestly, clothes, I think, is like top 3 reasons for pollution or something like that. I don't know the specifics. I wish I did. And if I did, I would share the specifics with you guys. But I know fast fashion is one of the major causes of why our world is going to shit. So it's really good to like donate your clothes or purchase like secondhand, things like that. And purchase with a reason, you know what I'm saying? Don't just buy a bunch of clothes just because, you know. If you have like a bunch of key pieces, like a good 10 pair of favorite jeans or something like that, you can switch up your outfit so many different types of ways. So that's another reason why I love Flyp. It's just because I feel like it's encouraging us to sell our clothes and make it a little bit easier for us, so that way we are not just dumping all of our clothes in a garbage can, you know what I mean? I used to love this sweater. I'm gonna keep it. Cardigans, no, I don't even like cardigans. I just have them because it used to get cold, but I really don't care for cardigans. Oh, I love this blazer. This blazer is from BCBG. Definitely one of my favorites. I feel like this is something that would really, really sell because of the lace and everything. Super cute. I don't even know what this is, honestly. Oh, wait. I was like, what is this? But this is actually really cute. I'm going to keep it. I'm probably never going to wear that. Outside of working, I don't think I'm ever going to wear that, but it's cute. So I'll keep it. I love this. I was going to say, I don't know what this is, but I actually do know. This is all messed up. I've had that for years, and that is just going to go in the garbage. And no. Okay, so both of my black drawers are completely empty now. Really, really excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold up and put the things that I'm keeping back and put them back in the drawer. And everything else, I'm going to go ahead and create my lot. And hopefully I can find the perfect pro seller for me and get rid of these clothes. So the shipping process is super simple. I'm going to throw all these clothes into a box. Once I find my pro seller, I'm going to print out my shipping label, send it off within a week. And that's it. The rest is up to them. And I do not have to worry about it. If the items don't sell, then that's when I will put my focus back on on it. But as of now, my hands are clean and I am done. So Flyp is super easy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of me just kind of getting rid of some of my black clothes, and I hope it inspires you to go ahead and get rid of some of your clothes as well. If you guys are going through your closet, it's almost the end of the year. We've almost made it through 2020. It's the perfect time to start cleaning out your closet. Go ahead and download Flyp. Make your life a lot easier. Don't just throw your clothes out. Go ahead and sell it. Make a couple of dollars off of it, and it's a super easy and fast process. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box for you guys to check it out. I hope this video taught you guys something new and introduced you to Flyp if you've never heard of it, or it has definitely put the mark like, okay, I gotta do this in your brain if you were interested in it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.